I am Sheila Kalyanpur, a working professional residing in Navi Mumbai. I had been regularly attending yoga class, but due to the lockdown, it was not possible. Then I got this opportunity to join the yoga sessions conducted by Swami Vivekananda Yoga Kendra, which is being done free of cost. It is a unique experience of yoga online, but very nice in the manner in which Jagdish sir and his entire team of teachers conduct the yoga sessions both in the morning and evening, patiently instructing and ensuring the health and safety of each participant. Thereafter, followed by talks by eminent personalities very knowledgeable in their respective fields, imparting valuable inputs for a better life. I joined the various workshops conducted by Swami Vivekananda Yoga Kendra, which are at a very nominal cost. I have been part of the first meditation workshop wherein 8 different experienced teachers imparted knowledge in various techniques of meditation. Each session was a different experience and I could feel the same. Thereafter, the second meditation workshop, which is still on, being conducted by Jagdish sir, is equally wonderful. Each day, he takes us through a beautiful journey and a nice experience, the benefits of which are beginning to be felt. The detox workshop is still on. I never thought I would be able to do such a thing. But trust me, it is a great experience. With the days going by, I can feel the change and the benefits in my body. For those who had not joined earlier, now you have an opportunity. Please do join. I would like to thank Jagdish sir and his entire team of teachers, doctors, eminent speakers, and all those associated with Swami Vivekananda Yoga Kendra for the efforts and the hard work they put in to bring us such beautiful and wonderful sessions. I pray to God to give them good health and strength to continue the efforts they are doing to build a healthy and a mindful society. Once again, I thank you Jagdish sir and the entire team of Swami Vivekananda Yoga Kendra.